Welcome back. Here is some more Mandalorian armor that I have done, and this is for sale at 3dbeowulf.com. This is all 3D printed and PLA plus, painted, weathered, and has a clear coat. So this version, these are all Mandalorian butt plates. This would be for Djarin or any type of male Mandalorian cosplay you're wanting to do. So this version has it where it's dented in multiple spots. Really nice with how different. And then this one I had it where, you know, it's just looking like some of the paints came off with this look. And these things are really nice, and figured to share them. And I have some of these in stock, but otherwise, if I don't have them in stock, they take 2 to 3 weeks to make. And in the future, I will have a version of these non-painted up for sale on my website. All the ones I first printed, I've painted all of them, so I never got a chance to take a photo. So like a lot of stuff on my website, there's a lot of stuff I make that I don't have up, so I don't have photos. So definitely send me an email on 3dbeowulf.com of something you're looking to get made, if I'm able to do it. And if I can give you a quote and in a time frame when I could have it shipped out to you. That really help get your Mandalorian cosplay ready for any type of photo shoot, Comic-Cons, whatnot. I am your one-stop shop to do that, with getting all your armor. Do helmets, jetpacks, stuff that's just the raw print painted, jetpacks that can light up, look like there's smoke coming out the back of it. Just a lot of cool stuff I can do. So definitely hit me up at 3dbeowulf.com. And this is just another piece of work that I do. So check it out, 3dbeowulf.com. This is the way.